Are you worried about the future of your retirement savings? You've worked your whole life to build up your nest egg, and now, with economic uncertainty shaking markets, inflation rising, and unpredictable changes in government policy, it's more important than ever to protect what you've earned. Let me introduce you to something that might just be the smartest decision you can make today: a gold IRA. You see, every day we hear stories about people who didn't take action in time and saw their retirement savings plummet when the market hit. But there's another group of retirees who took a different path, a path that protected their wealth. Take Jim, for example. Jim from Tampa, Florida, retired after a long career as an executive at a major tech company. He'd spent years building up his 500K 401K, planning for a comfortable, worry-free retirement. But when the news broke that inflation was hitting a 40-year high, Jim's concerns grew. He saw the dollar's purchasing power dropping, and suddenly he realized his savings might not last as long as he'd hoped. Jim didn't panic. Instead, he looked for solutions. And that's when he found out about gold IRAs. By rolling over part of his savings into gold, Jim could protect his wealth from inflation and any future market instability. Gold is known as a hedge against economic uncertainty. It's been used for thousands of years to preserve wealth, and it's something you can count on in times of volatility. And today, even during a period of political and economic turmoil, people are still turning to gold to preserve their wealth for the future. Now let's talk about how this works. A gold IRA lets you roll over your existing IRA or 401k into physical gold, tax deferred. That means you don't have to worry about paying taxes when you make the transfer. Gold is real money. It's tangible. Unlike stocks and bonds that can lose value or get wiped out entirely when the markets crash. And unlike the value of the dollar, gold tends to hold its value over time, even when inflation rises or economic crises hit. You've probably seen stories about people who got burned by the volatility of the stock market. People like Sarah from Chicago. She had 800K invested in the stock market, thinking it was the best place to grow her money for the future. When the market took a dive, Sarah saw her savings shrink by 30% almost overnight. That's when she decided to roll over a portion into a gold IRA. Now, Sarah feels more confident about her future. The bottom line is that when you protect your wealth with a gold IRA, you're giving yourself a solid foundation that won't erode with the next financial storm. You're taking control over your retirement, just like Jim and Sarah did. You've worked hard to build your savings. Now it's time to protect them. I'm offering you a free, no-obligation gold IRA guide, along with an educational call to answer all your questions. There's no pressure, no gimmicks, just one-on-one education about how a gold IRA can work for you, whether you have 100K or $5 million saved up. This could be the decision that protects your nest egg for you and for generations to come. Your retirement deserves the security that comes with gold, and you deserve the peace of mind knowing that your wealth is safe. Click the link in the description now to get your free guide and schedule your one-on-one call with me. This is about your future, and I'm here to make sure you're prepared for it.